Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. I'm at a project in central Orange County designed by me, installed by Lytle Landscape, and I want to show you what the project looks like. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this! Okay, so this is the front yard, part of the front yard. It's day 3 of construction. Eventually this will get removed, either replaced with flagstone or pavers, to be determined. These flagstone pieces are going to go here. They were existing here, covered by plants.
Thinking something like this.
Oh, cool. So this is the flagstone that we might be thinking of.
Yes.
That's cool.
Buckskin.
That's Oklahoma buckskin. Oh, I love that one.
I'll put it up here.
Ooh, that was Steve Lytle of Lytle Landscape. Anyway, this is the other side. So there's some changes in that to save on cost. This side yard was originally going to be pavers, but to save on cost, we're going to make it all concrete. Yeah.
Jackhammer's not working? Jackhammer's not working? Too moving? I think we're okay here.
And then these rocks are going to be reused. There's a pond here that the previous owner had left that is being taken out. It's just a mosquito magnet, so we're just not gonna have it. It's actually been removed. Hey. My bad. This area is going to be an entertaining area with a roof. And then this is going to be a functional side yard for edible gardening and composting and whatnot. So yeah.
Así como tú no las das las pinches vueltas, güey. No quieres estar ahí quebrando.
Okay, so this is the front yard of the project. In this area, we put some ceanothus, some sage, yellow monkey flower. We have had 2 casualties. Well, 1 maybe casualty, but 2 for sure. And then we have a DG path here that goes to the back. Some Baja bush snapdragon here. And then in this area, we have flagstone that leads all the way to the front door. some ceanothus, some stipa, purple threon, a dudleya, more monkey flower, more sages, a little bit of a dry creek bed to mitigate the runoff. This creates a perfect path from the front door to the street. The rocks are Baja Cresta from Southwest Boulder and Stone. The plants are from Tree of Life. I do believe most of the rocks are from Southwest Boulder and Stone. I don't know about the flagstone, however, but... And then this is meant to be a DG path from the side yard. This is the largest of the two side yards. We've got 2 compost bins here, 3 to be filled raised garden beds here. Slightly different plant palette in this planter and this planter because it's going to get a lot of shade. So what we've got is heucheras, salvia spathacea, hummingbird, sage, more Baja bush snapdragon. This is by far my favorite plant of all time, and it will grow nicely in pots, full sun to full shade. There will eventually be a rain barrel where that circle is. And this Baja bush snapdragon will eventually get big enough to hide those valves. More ceanothus. Back here we have some woolly blue curls. More sages. Prunus ilicifolia. Now this louvered roof, oh man, this is gorgeous. I absolutely love this. In conjunction with the flagstone, I mean, I could sit out here and entertain. Absolutely, look at that. And then the shed that you see is being used as a home office. Where this tub is, there is going to be a fountain in the future. Hence why there's electrical back there. The idea behind the design palette of here was so that if you're looking at this part of the garden from either the shed or the seating area, that you had something of visual interest to look at from either side. And again, the fence on this side, I mean, insanely gorgeous. We really did nothing in this side yard other than put decomposed granite. I personally felt as if it was narrow enough that it didn't make sense to plant anything out here, and really for cost purposes, it didn't make sense to do anything out here besides just make it a walking path.